Hey everyone, welcome back to the Internet Growth Hub Show. I'm your host Vivi Krishna, and if you are a coach, freelancer, or a business owner looking to grow and scale online, you are in the right place. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through a simple roadmap to build your first digital product, even if you are never done it before or don't consider yourself tech savvy. Did you know that the global e-learning market is expected to hit 400 billion US dollars by 2026? And the best part, you don't need to be tech wizard or influencer to be a part of it. You just need one thing, a solution to a problem that people are willing to pay for. Most aspiring coaches and creators are stuck because they think they need a fancy studio or expensive software, spend months perfecting instead of launching, overwhelm themselves trying to build a massive course from day one. Even I was in that space a few days back. You don't need a big course, you need a small offer with big clarity. This is the truth, right? So in this episode, I'll break down three types of digital products you can create in a weekend. How to decide what to create first. Number second, the simple tools I recommend to launch it, and how to price it without guessing. As a digital coach and a founder of Internet Growth Hub, I have helped hundreds of coaches and creators launch their first product, from mini courses to ebooks to paid workshops. And it all starts with the right mindset and simple system. Here is the three-step method I teach my clients. Step number one, solve a micro problem. Don't try to teach everything. Solve one burning problem your audience has. Example, how to get your first 10 coaching clients using Instagram DMs. Step number two, choose a simple format. That could be a ebook, PDF guide using Canva, a workshop, Zoom plus Google Slides, or a mini course recorded on Loom or your phone. Step number three, use simple tools to deliver a sales page like Notion or System.io. Payments, you can go with Razorpay or Instamozo. Delivery could be through WhatsApp, email, or Google Drive. That could be anything. Don't overcomplicate things. Just speed beats perfection. Remember this. Speed beats perfection. Always remember that. Don't stuck in that zone where you want to be perfect in every aspect before launching your course. If this episode gave you clarity, here is what to do. Follow this podcast, DM me product on Instagram for my free mini product launch checklist, and share this with a fellow creator who needs this right now. That's all for episode 4 of Digital Internet Growth Hub Show. Your first digital product could change your life, but only if you take action. I'm Vivi Krishna, and I'll catch you in the next episode where we will talk about how to get your first 50 leads online without running ads. Until then, build smart, grow fast.